Here's the secret no one's telling you. The most successful and spiritually aligned people use this one simple practice before bed, and it can help solve your biggest challenges within 24 hours. Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing that the problem you've been stressing over is resolved. No more sleepless nights, no more endless overthinking. This isn't magic. It's a practical manifestation technique that aligns your energy with the universe. Today, we're diving deep into how gratitude, intention, and visualization can unlock solutions faster than you ever thought possible. Life throws challenges at us every day, and it's easy to feel stuck or overwhelmed. Whether it's a stressful job, financial uncertainty, or personal struggles, the common reaction is to focus on the problem. But here's the catch. Focusing on the problem often magnifies it. Think about it. When was the last time worrying or obsessing over an issue magically made it go away? Now imagine if you could flip the script and align yourself with the solution instead. What if there was a proven way to channel your energy into manifesting answers instead of amplifying the problem? That's exactly what this practice does. The best part? It's not complicated, and you can start tonight. The power of spiritual alignment. Have you ever noticed how some people seem to have life figured out? They face challenges like everyone else, but somehow come out stronger, calmer, and more successful. The secret lies in their mindset. Instead of obsessing over the issue, they align with solutions. This mindset shift isn't about ignoring problems. It's about rewiring your brain to focus on possibilities instead of roadblocks. And the best part? You can learn this too, starting tonight. The nighttime gratitude technique. Here's the step-by-step process. Step 1. Set the scene. Before going to bed, lie down in a quiet, comfortable space. Turn off distractions like your phone or TV. This is your time to connect with the universe. Step 2. Choose one challenge. Focus on a single issue you want to resolve. Trying to tackle everything at once will scatter your energy. Pick the one thing that's been weighing on you the most. Step 3. Express gratitude. Here's the game changer. Thank the universe as if the problem is already solved. For example, say, "Thank you, universe, for resolving my relationship conflict," or "Thank you for helping me find my lost keys." Step 4. Visualize the outcome. Close your eyes and picture the solution in vivid detail. Imagine how it feels to have the problem resolved. Feel the relief, joy, or peace that comes with it. Step 5. Trust and let go. Once you've set your intention, release it. Don't obsess over how or when it will happen. Trust the universe to align resources in your favor. Why gratitude works? Gratitude is like a magnet for positivity. When you thank the universe in advance, you're telling it, "I trust you've got my back." This raises your vibrational frequency, making you more receptive to solutions and opportunities. Here's a simple analogy. Think of gratitude as the password to your manifestation account. Without it, your intentions can't connect to the universe's server. The importance of focus. Ever heard the saying, "Jack of all trades, master of none"? The same applies here. When you try to manifest solutions to multiple problems at once, your energy becomes diluted. By concentrating on one challenge, you create a clear and powerful intention that the universe can respond to. Real-life applications. Let's talk about some common scenarios where this technique works wonders. Health. Struggling with an ongoing health issue? Thank the universe for your body's healing abilities and visualize yourself strong and healthy. Relationships. Stuck in a conflict? Picture the resolution and express gratitude for restored harmony. Work. Overwhelmed by a project or career stress? Visualize yourself completing tasks effortlessly and thank the universe for guidance. Lost items. Misplaced something important? Picture yourself finding it and say, "Thank you for helping me locate this." Timing matters. Why does this technique work best at night? It's simple. While you sleep, your subconscious mind takes over. This part of your brain is a powerhouse for processing intentions, free from the distractions of daily life. When you set your gratitude-filled intention before bed, you're essentially programming your subconscious to work on it overnight. Why some people struggle with manifestation. Now, let's address the skeptics. If you've tried manifestation techniques before and didn't see results, it's likely because you were too focused on the how. Manifestation isn't about micromanaging the universe. It's about trusting the process. Here's a pro tip. Don't confuse trusting with waiting. You still need to take action when opportunities arise. The universe opens doors, but you've got to walk through them. The beauty of this technique is its simplicity. You don't need fancy tools, hours of meditation, or a spiritual retreat. All it takes is 5 minutes of focused gratitude before bed. And the results? They speak for themselves. People report finding solutions to problems that seemed impossible just the day before. So, to recap, focus on one major challenge. Thank the universe as if it's already resolved. Visualize the solution with clarity. Trust the process and let go. It's that simple. By practicing this technique consistently, you're not just solving problems. You're rewiring your entire mindset to attract abundance, peace, and clarity into your life. Want more techniques like this? Subscribe and take your manifestation journey to the next level.